40-year-old male patient underwent laparotomy. This is an intraoperative picture of laparotomy. Identify the organ: duodenum, jejunum, ileum, and colon. Okay, first you see the picture. There is definitely it is an intestine. There is no doubt at all. But you have to identify what type of intestine, because options given were small intestine and large intestine. Okay, the first thing you see that there is mesentery is there. Okay, so that is a mesentery is there. So that is one clue. So you see that in duodenum is it's a retroperitoneal organ. It is a fixed organ, don't have any mesentery. So duodenum is ruled out. Then colon. Next you compare the caliber. Okay, caliber of the this intestine. Okay, you see my comparing with my thumb, you can see the caliber is as like that of. That means it is a smaller in diameter. Okay, so colon is a large intestine, it will be bigger in diameter. So these two are ruled out. The remaining things are only two options are the jejunum and ileum. Then how to differentiate jejunum and ileum, I'll show again. We'll go for some discussion, then we'll again come to this slide. Okay, so this is the picture representing the jejunum and ileum. Here you can able to see the jejunum, this is jejunum and this is the ileum. So the jejunum and ileum, it's supplied by jejunal arteries and ileal arteries, which are all branches of the superior mesenteric artery. Okay, superior mesenteric artery. Okay, so next I'm going to discuss in detail about jejunum and ileum vascular supply. Okay, here you can able to see the blood supply of the jejunal arteries. Okay, here first I'm showing here, these are all the blood vessel jejunal arteries present in the mesentery. It forms an arcade. So it forms one or two arcades in the mesentery. Then it ends into the small intestine as a straight arteries. These arteries are called vasa recta, and if you see, these arteries are somewhat 3 to 7 centimeter in length, and these are straight arteries, otherwise called as vasa recta, and these are all long vasa recta. Okay, and you see the gap between these vasa recta, which is narrow. Okay, so the identification of jejunum is by the presence of long vasa recta and along with the narrow space in between. So you can see in this picture very clearly. Okay, so this is the best identification. So next we are going to talk about the ileum. It has also got arterial arcades, but here you will have 2 or 3 arcades. Okay, 2 or 3 arcades are there. Then followed by that arteries will end as a short arteries, short straight arteries, that is short vasa recta, and you can see that. So here it is a short vasa recta and it forming a wider gap. You can see that a wider gap in between these short vasa recta. Okay, so that is the identification marks. Okay, this is intraoperatively. If you see the intestine, you can able to identify whether it is a jejunum or ileum. Okay, there are other identifications, that is anatomical identification, that if you cut open and see that the jejunum is characterized by the presence of mucosal folds. This is called valvulae conniventis. The same thing you can able to see in X-ray also, or imaging, that is a barium series and all, you can able to see. Whereas the ileum is characterless. You don't have any much mucosal folds, only it is present with the paius lymphatic patches. Okay, so with that discussion, we'll go back to the first slide again. Okay, so what you are seeing, can you able to see? the arterial arcades. Here you can able to see the long vasa recta, okay, and the gap between the two vasa recta is narrow. That inference is jejunum. Okay, so here the answer for this question is the answer is jejunum. Okay, the answer is jejunum because of the presence of long vasa recta and narrow gap in between that. This video shows an exploratory laparotomy where I am holding the ileum. You can see the vascular arcade, 2 or 3 arcades with short vasa recta and with a wide space in between that. Next I am going to show you the jejunum. Okay, so holding the jejunum, stretching out, showing the mesentery and the blood supply. You can see the jejunal arteries. Here you can able to see the long vasa recta with a narrow space in between them.